Users spend a lot of time to build Excel files or others in order to obtain statistics. Everyone comes in management meetings with figures that cannot be reconciliated. Bi3 is built for the whole organization from top to down of the pyramid with data's more of less detail from a single source according to needs and users' rights. Reliable figures because of unique source, time-saving, easy implementation tool. Respect of the budget. Standard tool, easily customizable with your specific demands. Users can concentrate their efforts on data analysis rather than constructing extractions and reports. End of discussion. In management meetings when presenting the reports on the source or reliability of the figures because built by different users. Since we installed Bi3, no more debate on the figures. Everyone is only concentrating on explanation about the figures. For a presentation or a question, contact at erp-link.fr.